Habs, look. It's so nice outside, guys. No, even though it's raining, it's nice because the leaves is out already, and some of the leaves of the fruits. I don't know if you guys see it. There's fruits over there. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Today is Thursday. Tommy will pick me up, and he will pick up the dog also. I try to do time lapse. I don't know what's going on with this camera. It won't do time lapsing. It just shut off. Every time I go there, it shut off. I thought it just be time lapse. I'm just having my usual breakfast. Well, I don't have the pancake today. I have the water ad. Shocking. Of course. I have the bread. You know, the croissant that Tommy got. Yeah, I think that's that. And eggs. So yeah, that's what I have. Hello guys, I just want to show you guys. Did you guys remember that I just did that? I can't even do it anymore. Did you guys remember that when you when you're playing with your slipper, when you're flip-flop, and then there is a game in the Philippines that when you do like that, you have to take it like this. Take it from the back to the ground, from the ground. I'm really good with that when I was young. Now I can't even do it. I can't bend that far. You know, and then there is a game that, and then after you pick it up, you put it in here, in the back of your knee, and then you really, and then hit the other slipper. I don't know, you guys, if you remember. I do remember that game. Oh my god, that was a really long time. I kind of hungry. Anyway, guys, I just been on my laptop. Just trying to apply all the jobs I can get. That pork, guys, it's cooked already last night, and because I want it to be crunchy, I'm going to fry it again, and that's what I'm going to do. It's 12 o'clock already, and I haven't had lunch. I'm gonna eat lunch, and Tommy hasn't called me, so I'm waiting for him to call me. He called me this morning, but I wait for him. I have chayote over her. I'm just gonna leave it here in the refrigerator, I guess. I have okra over here. And yeah, guys, I just put a little foundation, just very light, and the eyebrow that I don't like. I like this eyebrow. I don't like this one. The one that I'm using is the Maybelline Brow Drama Crayon, the one that I just review from my other channel. And also the lipstick that I'm wearing is the Color Pop Freak and Frock. And before I put the lipstick on, guys, I put a lip liner that it won't bleeding over her, because this lipstick, I noticed it came down here bleeding. Hala. Allah, it's been on. Oi, that's ridiculous. I forgot to turn it off. It's just so hot now. I said, but why is it lit up? Ipa-fry ko lang siya ulit even though I did it already bake it yesterday. Maliit lang na oil at saka yun, fry it again. The dog are tired. You guys are tired. They don't even want to eat their food. You're bored. Are you bored? New haircut, dog. You look funny now, Mitch. You look funny. You look funny, my baby. You are. You look funny. Roxy, sorry, Rox. Sorry, bala. Ooh, Monkey Kong. Kong. 2 weeks, your grandma doesn't see you, guys. Tinatanggal ko yung belt ko, guys. Ay, kasi, ay, nako, sobrang busog. Later on, this camera, it's already up here. I'm gonna make sure that I'm not full down. Don't worry, guys, I'm safe. I'm really good with climbing. If you haven't seen my vlog, I painted the whole house. So let's see. I'll put you right here. She pooping. Okay, guys, it's time for me to get. I'm gonna follow him, guys. He's going to fix the stairs right here. It's poorly made, but for now, this is what we get. This is what we have. He's going to change it in the future. For now, this is for it.
We're just gonna fix it temporarily and then we'll replace it. But right now I don't have time to do that.
Fix temporarily?
Yeah.
Like this? Hi guys, we are ready. We're almost ready. Yep. We are going home. And Roxy's like this, guys. She's so tired. Give me a hug. Give me a lovey-dovey look, hun. Do you know how to make a lovey-dovey look?
No.
Look, he doesn't know everything. That's a dog thing, honey. That's Hobbs, son. That's Hobbs look. Hun. That's Hobbs look.
What is Hobbs look?
He likes this, guys. He doesn't want to show it to me, honey. Hobbs look. Surprise look. Is it? Look, the flower is been out there with the sun and then get cold, dying. It never happened before like this, hun, that it's inside the house. Never really dying like this. Died just like that.
It's not supposed to be direct sunlight. It used to have a little tag that told you that.
I think the tag is right here. Yeah, it's right here. Oh no, it's not. Where is it? What do you think of being married to a Filipina woman? No, there's no garbage. Put it in that cellophane.
Like everybody else, it could be a scotch.
That's all. Everything that he can see, guys, is bad thing.
That's not a bad thing. It could be a scotch.
See something that what do you think?
She can be loving sometimes, and most of the time she can be a scotch.
Guys, Roxy.
Yeah, she's gonna hide in a second.
She's already going to hide. Look. Honey, look at her face. Look at her face, honey, look. Let's go. She know the word. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my goodness. She knows. You know? Do you wanna see Dimples? Do you wanna see Roxy, Dimples, and Habtibag and Grandma?
Time to go, kids.
Okay, guys, we are ready to go. Are you ready now? Tommy pick up more mulch. I can't even find my thing over here. I can't find my camera mount that I can put the camera to my car. Hi, Rox! I can't put the camera on the dashboard because I lost my thing. We are here a while ago. The dog seems like never see a cat. We have a cat in the neighbor. They're all freaking out, but we have two over here. They're not even saying hi to Dimples. What is this? I peed myself. I peed myself, guys. So I guess I have to cut my Roxy's hair, guys. It's gonna be really ugly, guys. You love Roxy, guys. You would change your mind.
She won't be ugly.
The hair is additional of the look. You huffing and puffing already, Rox? But I'm not gonna cut it like Rox mistakes here. That's sure. Tabe, how do you huffing and puffing already? Oh, look at this. Oh, I don't even bring the thing, Rox. The cutter, it's in the other house, Rox. You're hungry too, right? You don't eat your breakfast, so you're hungry. Look at, guys. If I cut her here, you would change. You would different. It's different. Because this is the look of her. Like, you know, this is her look. It's supposedly be a tiger look, not tiger wood. No, I'm not gonna cut it. I'm gonna be sorry. It takes forever to grow. It's like this is 2 years and to grow this long.
It doesn't.
Yes, 2 years.
It grows back quick.
It's hot in here, Rox. You're gonna be so hot this summer. Yeah, you should be in the other house. I will leave you up there.
She seems to like the grass here better. The grass here is nicer than that grass is.
You know, it's over there. It's kind of rough grass, and then it's more rocks in it.
It's not soft. Like this grass. I think we should replant the grass.
You can just like do, there is seeds. That's how they like that they spread it.
Yeah. Topsoil, so nice rich soil, so it grows good, and it'll grow under that into the regular ground, but that helps it to grow nice. I need to get a swing for Porsche.
He ran away from me, guys. So I have to hold him. But one paw is grabbing my skin. It's grabbing my skin right here.
Little bug.
Where's Dada?
Dada man.
Oops, 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 oops.
Rocks, knock it off.
She's quick here.
Hey!
No, you can't do that. There's no zoom. That's not a phone, hon.
Oh, what do I know?
He wants to zoom, guys, but he can't zoom me.
Oh, wait, here it is.
Bonk, bonk. Bonk. Bonk.
My hand. Don't do my hand. Crazy husband. I wish you do vlogging, hon. You vlog me, hon.
I don't. I'm shutting it off.
Okay. My baby is doing some grilling. You know, guys, remember, guys, I made some, how do you call that, hon?
Prime rib.
Prime rib. They don't even finish eating it, guys. Anyway, guys, I'm here outside. It's really nice already in here. Seems no rice, no rice, no rice. No rice. 2 dogs are right there, guys. This is where when they're baby. This is where I play with them. And anyway, so I'm gonna end this vlog now, guys. It's 8:57, 52. I just been on my laptop. I don't edit, guys. For tomorrow, I will edit it tomorrow morning. But what I did in my laptop, I just apply job. This is never-ending applying job, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow, and tomorrow is Friday. So yeah, see you tomorrow, and yeah, bye guys. Ugly face. You wanna see your ugly face? You wanna see your ugly face?